we have in our Ipsy bag. This is what it looks like. Very colorful, very jazzy looking, very festive. And of course it has the Ipsy logo on there. I'm so excited to see what's in this bag. Let's see, the first thing I see in here says time to shine. 'Tis the season to treat yourself. I'm sorry, but does it always have to be a season? No. If you can do it, do it. And it doesn't have to be a lot. I'm rambling. Let's just get into the goodies here. The first thing I see here is from Seraphine Botanicals, and it's something cranberry and dewy lip remedy. Ooh, where is that little bad boy? Here it is. This is the Rainbow and Dew. I don't know if you can see that. Sorry about the lighting. But I'm always looking for lip balms, lip serums, lip remedies. Yeah, right up my alley. So it'll be very... So this is what it looks like. It doesn't look like there's a lot in there. I'm assuming that it's very potent. But yeah, it's called Cranberry and Dew. It looks almost like a gel. Look how immaculate that looks. I hate to put my finger in that. It looks so pretty and so perfect. Let's see. No, it's solid. I thought that it would be like springy, but no. I have a lipstick on, but I don't mind putting it over the top and with clean fingertips. So as you can see, you could probably use a brush or an applicator if you don't feel good about putting your finger in there. But as long as your finger is clean and you don't double dip, whether it's an applicator or with your finger, you should be fine. It's a little slimy. Yeah. So the retail price on this is what? $22 US. Say goodbye to dry, chapped lips with this hydrating leave-on treatment. Oh, that's nice. The name doesn't lie. Okay. It's made with softening rice bran and castor seed oils plus cranberry and goji berry extracts to give your lips a dewy glow. And the tip is to use your fingertips to apply this treatment to your lips as needed. Okay, price tag's a little suspect, but if this is what it is, then yeah, that's a pretty high price tag. All right, on to the next thing. Ooh, I have something here from Ofra. Is this it? This is Ofra Cosmetics Pressed Blush in Chameleon. A peachy pink flush. Never goes out of style. And this gorgeous shade delivers just the right amount of color to warm up your complexion in an instant. I'm gonna see if I can undo this as I talk. Can I do two things at once? I don't know. Effectively, the jury's still out on that. But they packaged it really well. Here it is. This looks like a sample because I know the Ofra brand, they're bigger than that in the containers. But this is what it looks like. That's cute. That's really cute. What is the price on this? So for the full size version of this product, which is 4 grams, 35, is that 25 or 35? I'll put the price here because the lettering's really small. That's what it looks like. And again, the shade is Chameleon. Has a bit of texture to it, but not too much. And I'm just gonna, it applies a bit chunky, but otherwise, it's a very pretty everyday color. Does it have a scent? No, but that's good. So far I'm loving my little bag, my basic bag with a blush and a lip treatment. Perfect for this winter that's coming. The next thing makeup tool from Miss SL Glam. It's SL Miss Glam. I always switch those words around. This is the BB5 Small Powder Brush. So fashion meets function. This sparkly ombre brush looks ultra cute and has all your makeup needs covered too. Use it with your powder products to apply, blend, shade, and detail with ease and precision. And it says once a week to gently wash. You should be washing your brushes at least once a week. The full is obviously full size. The price for this is $22 US. So already the bag has paid for itself with just this brush alone. Amazing. And the lip balm. Yeah. What else do we have here? Oh my goodness, there's more. The next thing I have in here is from the YC collection, Light in the Dark, Highlight in Vintage. Serious shimmer meets serious hydration. This highlighter instantly illuminates your favorite features with microfine gold pigments. Plus, it helps deliver long-lasting moisture thanks to nourishing vitamin E and plant oils. It says tip, use your fingers or a sponge or a brush to tap this highlighter onto your cheekbones. The retail price for the full size of this at 11G. Is that $26? 16. Okay. Obviously this is not the full size, but the packaging is very lovely, very classy looking, I must say. And let's see if I can open this without breaking it. Hold on. There we go. Has a lovely design there with the K, and I don't know if you can see that, the K and C. Although it looks like a K, but that should be a Y. That's supposed to be YC, but it looks like a KC. And, ooh, okay. And that is, oh, that highlighter is no joke either. Okay, nice. And apparently one more thing. Ooh, this is the Heimish Marine Care Eye Cream. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. There's a reason this potent eye cream is a bestseller. It does everything. Really? Everything? The powerful formula helps brighten, firm, and hydrate your eye area thanks to seaweed extract, niacinamide, and peptides for a rejuvenated and well-rested look. Tip, apply a small amount around your eye area using a gentle tapping motion. The full size of this product at 20 ml is $36 US. This obviously is the sample size. Sorry about the lighting situation, but you see what I mean. There we go. Wow. I did get some extras. I did take advantage of all the add-ons. I got the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. Look at that. And I also got, let's see how this looks. I've featured Way here before, and their detox shampoo is everything. So this has a lid. This is the body scrub. Oh, and it smells just like their product. They have a very unique scent, and I love it. It's a cross between citrus and almost like the beach, you know, like a marine scent. Beautiful. And this is definitely something for texture. You see that it's definitely a scrub. This is a sugar scrub for sure. I love it. And I love that it has the scent of the shampoo. I love it. I'm putting this on my skin. It feels like a sugar scrub, like flat out sugar scrub. Oh, but if you're not into any scents, Way may not be for you because it has scent. I love the scent, so it doesn't bother me. And also one other feature that I got that was extra is Tatcha. And I believe this is their cleanser. But I'll put the name right there so you can see. It's always nice to have these if you travel, or if you're just, you know, grabbing your bag to go to school, or just having your makeup kit if you're going out later that night, or just to refresh your face throughout the day. It's always good to have like a couple of skincare products and a lip product. And that's essentially it. That was my December bag. 'Tis the season to treat yourself with the hashtag time to shine. So what did you get in your Ipsy bag? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching this video and taking time out of your day to see it. And I hope to see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.